Hello coders, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to create a simple 2D enemy AI in Unity. The enemy has 3 states: idle, walk and attack. First, when the player is outside the range, the enemy stays in idle state and play the ideal animation. When the player comes within the chasing distance, enemies start walking towards the player, and if it is reached near the attacking distance, then the attacking animation will play. Okay, let's get back to the video. First, I have the sprite I just downloaded. Select. We are using sprite 2D, so sprite. I am having the single image mode, so single and apply. Yeah, that's it. Image has been generated, and we need to create animations for these things. So first I am going to use the nearby attack only. I am going to use, so I am using this sword. Okay, we will select the sprites which we are going to use. It's nearby attack, so I am using the sword attack. So just drag and drop, create one folder, name it as animation, and this is attack. And one more thing, ideal we are going to use. For ideal, select ideal, drag and drop to the scene, click on the animation, name it as ideal, and there is no run in this sprite, so we are going to select the there is no walk in the animation, so we are going to select the run and drag and drop, name it as walk. Done. Animation we have created. I'm going to choose the idle and delete other things. Name it as enemy. We need rigid body and collider. We are going to use same as the player, collider and player rigid body too. Just copy and paste those things, and we are going to create now animations. We selected the ideal, so default ideal has been added, and walk and attack. Here we need to add the parameters. Attack boolean, ideal boolean, walk. Okay, make a transition, same, put a condition for ideal to walk, make walk as true, and walk to ideal is equal to true. Make a transaction to ideal to attack, same, attack is true, then play animation for attack, same here, make ideal true, it is here, we are going to put walk then true. Yeah, attack is equal to true. Okay, we're done with the animator. Now we are going to create the script. Right click, create script, right click, create script. Okay, enemy AI. Okay, we will get the player transform and animator transform for detect the player position and play the animations, and the animator to play which animation we need to. And we are getting some variables like speed, chasing distance, attacking distance, and if the enemy is attacking or not, those variables we are going to define and play the animation. Yes, that's it guys for the script. Save it, come to the scene, drop this, assign the player, animator, and the sprite, with the player. Okay, let's see, hit play and let me check. Okay, if I come near, yeah, wow. If I go this idea, oh, flip has some issue, I think. Flip has some issue, we will check that. I don't think now facing is not need of. Instead of putting scale, but scale is not a good way, so I just change it to the sprite flip itself. All I want to check is yeah, it's moving. Yes, it's flipping now. Okay, yeah, I think the concept is working. We need to implement little bit of moving forward, and we need to add the hit too. Yeah, if I come near, it is started moving. If I came little near, it's going to attack. So now the collider is there, it's not hitting. Let me this here. If I come near, it started attacking. If I go, it's become idle. If little distance is higher, it's started running towards me. Okay, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please.